Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out these Candelabra LED light bulbs. This is a 6-pack and it just comes in nicely wrapped like that. So these are 0.5 watts. You see the little LED portion in there. So these are, like I said, candelabra bases, so they're like the smaller ones. There's 3 or 4 different kinds, but I believe these are the smallest kinds for like standard light bulbs. So it's kind of an old time looking one, and as far as the other little lights like this, pretty much everything is going LED. Seems like the old incandescent ones. The filament would break in there and not last very long. These LEDs last pretty much forever, so I'm gonna go test them out in my chandelier and show you guys how they look. These ones don't put out a ton of light, but kind of like a more for a smaller lighting instances. But I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my chandelier and show you guys what they look like. Well, we have these little light bulbs up here now, and these are a little bit smaller than the other candelabra ones I have. Those are like larger ones there. They have, I think, 4 elements in them, and they're a bigger size. So they put out quite a bit more light. But as far as just putting out kind of like a dimmer light that's more of an ambiance, I guess, these little light bulbs work pretty nice. LEDs, of course, they're going to last basically forever for different applications like smaller fixtures or something that you don't require as much light. But they work great. They look pretty cool too. Thanks for watching, my friends.